Thank you very much for possibility to present our Technical University of Sofia and our country, Bulgaria, which is situated in Europe, another continent, European continent. You can see our sign of our university. Technical University is more the technical sign, and up under the sign of Technical University, you can see the word Bulgaria. Is this our country? This word we colored with our color in the flag: white, green, and red. Like Colombian flag is three colors in our flag. Our country, Bulgaria, is situated in southeast part of European continent of Europe, and we have also, like Colombia, Caribbean Sea, we have also exit to sea. It is Black Sea. We are at the center of so-called Balkan region in the southeast Europe, and our neighbor is Greece, Turkey, Romania, Serbia, and so on. Leading role in this Balkan region because we are at the center of this region. Our capital is Sofia town. Sofia is not so big country like Bogota, but so big town. It is capital of our country, but the citizen of Sofia is 2.5 million people. And all the country is about 7 million people citizen. You see in this picture the National Parliament building at the center of the picture, which is the main government body of our country. If you can understand Sofia, you can walk around the city center and visit some of the best spots. In the town, you can see different buildings with ancient architectures, and the main of this is Cathedral St. Alexander Nevsky, and different cathedrals. We are Orthodox religion. 10% of our people is Catholic religion. The symbol of our capital, Sofia, is this lady, Saint Sofia. You can see over the head of this lady is gold. On one hand is owl, it is symbol of wisdom, and another head is like food, because we are mostly agriculture country. In Sofia, you can visit some museum. The famous of this museum is National Museum of History and National Museum of Archaeology. We have some parks and gardens in these parks, and one of the beautiful park in the city center is Borisova Garden Park. After some slides, you can see picture from this park. But the museum is very interesting. Like in Bogota, we visit history museum in Bogota, museum in to gold. Museum of Gold of Bogota is very, very nice and very interesting. At the city center, we have one interesting and beautiful building. It is St. Alexander Nevsky Cathedral. It is the main cathedral of our Orthodox Church and the biggest one in the country. National Archaeological Museum, you can find some artifacts from thousands years ago, from Thracian period, 5,000 years ago, and many, many other artifacts. Because our country, Bulgaria, is more than 1,400 years. Like country Bulgaria, 1,400 years. National History Museum is at the surrounding of the town, near to the Vitoria Mountain. You can see the main building of Historical Museum. behind this building is Vitoria Mountain. In this museum, you can find also gold from Thracian period. It is about 3,000 years ago, but not so much like in museum in Bogota, Museum of Gold in Bogota, because we have not so much gold in our country. At the city center, you can find another beautiful building. It is modern one building. It is National Palace of Culture. In this building, you can make some concerts, events, congresses, and so on. It's very suitable for this kind of events at the city center. This is the main park in the city center. It's big and very beautiful. You can see picture from spring. You can see picture from autumn. All in this park in spring is green, and we have many flora in this building. Also on birds and fauna. Also very good to walk and relax in this park. Vitoria Mountain is near Sofia. It is unique because you can reach this mountain 15 minutes travel by car. It is good for skiing at the winter because mountain is very cold at the winter, and at the summer you can walk and make hiking and another sports. This is picture from Vitoria Mountain. In the winter, you can reach the mountain not only by car, but with the lift from the town till the peak of the mountain. It's around 30 minutes by lift going up. Now we start with our Technical University of Sofia information. This is the main building, Rectorat. This is a building for administration, and in this building is our rector of Technical University of Sofia. The Technical University have about 10,000 students and 1,000 academic staff, professors, assistants, and so on. We have many specialties, and our history of our Technical University of Sofia is from 77 years ago, when in 1942, before Second World War, start and open the door our first higher technical school in Sofia. After the Second World War in 1945, become a state polytechnic and start education for engineers in our country, because from 1942, 1945, they break the education according to the Second World War. And we graduate many engineers, over 100,000 engineers were graduate from our technical university, and they go to the industry in Bulgaria and in Europe and other places in the world. The main mission of our Technical University of Sofia is to meet the needs of our society, Bulgarian society, for highly qualified specialists in engineering profession. In engineering, we are specialized only in engineering because another university have humanity specialties and so on, but we have only engineering specialties. Our vision is to fulfill its public duties and establish itself as a leading European research and education center in Southeast Europe part, where is situated our country, Bulgaria. Our technical university have 3 levels of education and accredited from National Assessment and Accreditation Agency under the Ministry of Education, and have every 5 years re-accreditation. First level of our education is 4-year program of Bachelor of Engineering. 4 years program of Bachelor of Engineering. The second level is master level. It is 1 year education of Master of Engineering after finishing, after graduating as a bachelor. And the highest level is Doctor. It is a PhD. This education is 3 years to become a doctor, PhD, and finish with the defense of dissertation, not only exams. You can go step by step to the highest level from bachelor to doctor. It is obligatory to first to be bachelor, after that master, and at the end doctor. Not from bachelor to doctor, like for example in British University there is possible, but in our university it's not possible to skip any level. Step by step. Our Technical University of Sofia have 14 faculties, including 1 German faculties, which is education only in German language, 1 English faculties, education only in English, and 1 French language faculty, education only in English, some specialties. And we have 2 branches, 1 in Sliven with 1 faculty, and 2 in Plovdiv with 2 faculty, 2 branches with faculties. We have associate colleges, departments, and unique for our university is these 2 high secondary schools belong to the university, because this is different like regular secondary schools, because in these 2 schools belong to Technical University of Sofia. Scholars have additional time, additional classes, especially of engineering subjects. We prepare these scholars to go to our Technical University for high education. We have research and development sector, in which we prepared and developed international, national, and different scientific research projects. We have postgraduate education center with the postgraduate programs for different specialists, and sector for lifelong learning. This sector help all the graduates from Technical University of Sofia to get achievement in his professional life, like practitioner in practitioner engineers in the industry, like teachers in different schools, universities, and so on. This center is only for graduate from Technical University, like alumni center from these people, and get help for this development in his professional life. We have many research laboratories, experimental centers, and so on. Our website is bilingual in Bulgarian, but also in English language site, and in English language site you can reach all the information about our Technical University of Sofia, different procedures, different information about laboratories, faculties, how to study at Technical University in the English language, because we admit foreign students from not only from Europe, but around the world. and you can find all the information and requirements for admission in our university. Of course, the education is the foreign student education is only in English language. We have some specialties, bachelor degree programs in our university, and main of interesting specialties is automation, information control engineering. Another is electrical engineering, which is not only in Bulgarian and English, also in French, electronics, communication technologies, computer systems and technologies, not only in Bulgarian and English, also in German language is available. Another group of interesting specialties in bachelor degree programs are electrical power engineering, electrical equipment. Another is thermal and nuclear power engineering, because in our country we have nuclear power station, and we preparing the engineers for this nuclear power station. Heat transfer engineers, hydraulic and pneumatic techniques, design and technology for clothing and textile. It is engineering design. It is interdisciplinary specialty between engineering and painting, because it is engineering graphology in the pictures of in the textile production. We have renewable energy and fuel technology also, which is modern specialty one. Another group is connected with computer-aided design and manufacturing, digital industrial technologies, information technologies in industry, smart systems and artificial intelligence. It is very new specialty and modern one at the modern wave of technologies. Machine building engineering technologies, mechanical engineering and mechatronics is very famous, and many foreign students go study mechatronics in Bulgaria, mostly from Turkey, from Greece, from another part of Europe. Another group of interesting specialties at our bachelor degree programs in our universities, information technologies in transport. It is modern transport with automotive technologies, transport machinery and technologies, aeronautical engineering, which is connected with the aircrafts and civil airplanes, transport technology and management. It is available in our university. Another group of interesting specialties is industrial management, which is in English at the English language department, and is in cooperation with British universities, which we get the programs and subjects and provide this education at our university. Business administration, public administration, management in business information systems is also modern specialties in this field. Industrial design and engineering, applied mathematics and informatics. It is more application of mathematics and natural sciences in industry. Applied physics, computer modeling. Data analysis is a new specialty. Industrial engineering also, and now we set the new specialties which goes to from the next academic year. It is cybersecurity specialty, cybersecurity, which is very common and very interesting for all the information communication business, for information communication infrastructure is very important, very important. Our students have own student hostels our university have own student hostels in which our students stay in different rooms. At these hostels, it is with good life conditions. We have 10 such kind of buildings, 10 blocks, to different faculties. And this block is very well prepared and very secure because they have access control. Only students and teachers can go in, and not any other people, and have good with Wi-Fi, internet coverage, and so on. Our students have another possibility for sports in our sport complex. We have different hall for different sports, tennis, fitness, and so on. We have also a swimming pool at the campus of the university, and all the students and teachers can swimming there all the seasons, because it is closed swimming pool. We have two relaxed base for students and teachers. One at the Black Sea in Suzopol Resort. You can go to the beach and take beach football or beach volleyball. And we have one base at the mountain. It is in Rila Mountain for skiing, for hiking, and so on. It is available to the university people. Our students have one main organization. It is Student Council of Técnica University of Sofia, in which all the students participate. And this student organization have member of another international organization like ISEC, in Association International de Education, Science, Economy and Commerciale, Board of Education of Students of Technology, European Student of Industrial Engineering Management. And one interesting is that we have a student robotics group, robotics. And students make some experiments in robots and make some own project helping by professors at the Technical University of Sofia. We have research laboratories interesting in different field, in different direction of sciences, technical engineering sciences, of course, in lighting, in renewable energy and environment, for cybersecurity and artificial intelligence, and so on. Some of the equipment of these laboratories is shown on these pictures. Different autonomous robots, different computers laboratory for design of chips or other software systems, and so on. One mechanical laboratories. There is a written procedure on the website how is our admission requirements for bachelor degree for foreign students, and the application procedure and the requirement of documents. You can apply, and interesting is that the tuition fee per academic year for bachelor program and master program is 3,000 euro per year. 3,000 euro per year for foreign students. The admission procedure is not so different like another universities. It's a normal procedure. Our academic cooperation plays a significant role for the development of our university, like public educational research institutions. We have many contacts with numerous prestigious universities from British, United Kingdom, from Central and Eastern Europe, Italy, Germany, France, Belgium, Czech Republic, Poland, Hungary, Ukraine, Denmark, Sweden, Netherlands, and Belarus. Our fruitful contacts outside of Europe is from United States of America, from China, from Turkey, from Colombia, of course, through Doris and her university. We are very good connections and collaboration between our universities. The membership of our university, Technical University of Sofia, is set for well-known European and world university organizations like European University Associations, European Rectors Conference, Association Agency University de Francophonie, International Association of Universities, Cluster Euro Exit Services, and so on. We have many activities like members of different international university organizations. Also, instead of our academic cooperation, we have cooperation with business, with companies, with factories, with production. Main of this cooperation is with Hewlett-Packard, with Microsoft, with Cisco, with Westinghouse, with Bosch from Germany, and another European and United States well-known, world-known companies. We have business cooperation. Our students go to practice there and have internship for some months and qualified in practice for their specialties in these business organizations. Our university, Technical University of Sofia, is one of the initiator and founder of so-called European University of Technology. It is a confederation of some 8 universities in the Europe, in which students can have possibility to mobility and get different subjects, different semesters, different terms from different universities and become diploma from all these universities in confederation. In this confederation, our Technical University of Sofia in Bulgaria, Cyprus University of Technology in Cyprus, University of Technology in France, German Applied Science University in Germany, Dublin University of Technology in Ireland, in Latvia Technical University, in Spain Polytechnic University in Spain also is in this confederation. Also, the education in this European University of Technology Confederation is only in English language, because in Europe the common language is English for all activities within the European Union, because the official language at the European Union is English language. We have many activities in Erasmus Plus program of the European Union. Through this Erasmus Plus program, I, Professor Ruben Trifonov, Associate Professor Galia Pavlova Veselinova is here like exchange, and we have activities since 1999. This is a very big period of activity in this program. Many students, more than 1,000, different teachers, more than 100, and different lecturers, more than 650 lecturers have participated in this program. And we want to exchange this program, and we have agreement with university in Colombia through Doris universities, and we prepare another agreement with the different universities in Colombia also. It is very successful program, for inter-university exchange of students and professors, lecturers, and so on. The main faculty in English language education is English language faculty of engineering, in which I and my colleague teach different students in a program which is cooperated with British universities, and this is very successful faculty, and this faculty have a good connection and agreement with Columbia universities. Also, we are academic staff member of this faculty of computer systems and technologies, because we are in the field of information communication technology, and teach such kind of subjects like computer systems, like artificial intelligence, like cybersecurity, information systems, and so on. And we are teachers from this faculty of computer systems and technologies, and we are specialists in information technologies. Thank you for your attention for present our university and country, and I would like to say at the end, gracias.